Good morning, it's Bill Freeman with Freeman's Construction. We're here in Ramona pouring a foundation today. Vincent with CV Construction is doing the foundation for us and his crew. You can see we're set up here with a concrete pump. We just don't have the room to get around the building, so we usually end up pumping most of our jobs. It just makes it for a cleaner job and more efficient. You can see they've gone around and filled all the outside footings first. That seals up to the bottom of that form so we don't get a bunch of concrete blowing out along the outside of the foundation. And then they come back and they start here in the garage, and you can see how they've got that all filled up, floated off. Now they're continuing across the entire slab. You can see how the where we have structural walls, they put a 2x4 up and they use that to tie all the bolts off to, so we get those in exactly the right spot for our structural walls, so we can tie into the hold downs and bolt down those plates properly. Me Too Concrete Pumping is here doing the concrete pumping. They always do a great job. We're expecting rain coming in this afternoon, so that'll be perfect to get this down so we don't get a bunch of mud and stuff filling into the trenches. It's always great to beat the rainstorm coming in. They'll be here till about 1 or 2, and they'll have this thing completely finished off. They'll be stripping all the forms today and getting everything cleaned up, so we're all ready for the framing to start as soon as the rainstorm gets over. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.